our swinging cafe door. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 35 inches and a height of 39 3/4 inches. Coming to the front will be the corrugated panels. By flipping over the door, on the left side will be your hinge, and coming to the right will be your barrel bolt. Top left hinge will have a tab, and the bottom will have a slot or an insert to install this door. Barrel bolt to the right, this door can be installed and positioned to the right side. Included with your cafe door will be screws, along with hardware and rotating shafts to install your cafe door. The measurements for the smaller corner brace or rotating shaft, we have 2 1/4 inches in length by 3 inches in height. 4-hole inserts for your screws, and the measurements for the second bracket or rotating shaft, we have 1 3/4 inches in length by 4 inches in height. There will also be 4 slots or inserts for your screws. All of these will be included with your purchase for one single or a double cafe door. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.